AI camera versus normal CCTV. What's the real difference? Have you ever wondered why modern security systems are switching from normal CCTV cameras to AI cameras? Both look similar, both record video, but the technology inside is completely different. And that difference can decide how safe your home, shop, or office really is. Today, we'll break it down in a simple way so you know exactly which one is worth your money. What is a normal CCTV camera? A normal CCTV camera is a basic surveillance system. It has one main job: record video continuously. That's it. It doesn't think, it doesn't analyze, it doesn't understand what is happening. If someone enters your house, it will record them. If a stranger walks by, it will still record. Even if nothing important happens, it keeps recording everything. So basically, normal CCTV is like a silent observer. It just captures footage for later review. But here's the problem. It cannot alert you in real time. It cannot detect suspicious activity. It cannot differentiate between a human, animal, or object. So if something happens, you usually find out after it's too late. What is an AI camera? Now let's talk about AI cameras. AI cameras are not just recording devices. They are smart security systems. They use artificial intelligence to understand what they are seeing. That means they can detect humans separately from animals or objects, recognize unusual movements, send real-time alerts to your phone, sometimes even identify faces or license plates. For example, if a person enters your driveway at night, the AI camera can instantly send you an alert like "Human detected at your front door." That's the power of AI. It doesn't just record, it analyzes and reacts. Key differences. Let's compare both side by side. 1. Intelligence. Normal CCTV is passive. AI camera is active and intelligent. 2. Alerts. Normal CCTV, no alerts. AI caméra, instant mobile notification. 3. Detection. Normal CCTV records everything equally. AI camera understands humans, vehicles, and objects separately. 4. Storage. Normal CCTV needs more storage because it records everything. AI camera can save storage by recording only important events. 5. Security level. Normal CCTV equals basic security. AI camera equals advanced smart security. So the main difference is simple. CCTV watches. Which one should you choose? Now the big question, which one is better? If you want cheap basic recording, just proof after an incident, then normal CCTV is enough. But if you want real-time protection, smart alerts, modern security control from your phone, then AI camera is the better choice. Security is no longer just about recording anymore. It's about preventing incidents before they happen. That's where AI cameras are changing the game. So the real question is not, do you need a camera? It's, do you want a smart system or a basic recorder?